Hello everyone, how are we doing? It's another Saturday session and I'm back here for more science humour. So the science meme Reddit was great, but someone said about the ScienceHumour Reddit and that it was better. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to look at the ScienceHumour Reddit. I've selected again all time and the top ones of all time. So here we go. Apparently it's funnier. So we'll be the judge of that. You all seemed to like it last week. So here we go. Yeah, I'm a mathematician. Okay, then name all the digits in pi. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's on me. I set the bar too low. Good start. Strong start there. Literally no one. Physics books. Assume that a penguin is a circular cylinder. Love it. The sound from a musician on stage bounces off the auditorium walls to surround the audience. The sound from a pigeon on stage does not do this. The reason is acoustics. It's a good play on words, but a bad joke. Bad joke. Surgeons in India removed over 600 iron nails from a man's stomach this week after a CT scan revealed the mass of metal in the 48-year-old's abdomen. They could have removed the nails really quickly if they'd done an MRI. Oh my word. That would have been a mess. A serious mess. MRIs are insanely magnetic. A brief history of physics. Aristotle said a bunch of stuff that was wrong. Galileo and Newton fixed things up. Then Einstein broke everything again. Now we've basically got it all worked out except for small stuff, big stuff, hot stuff, cold stuff, fast stuff, heavy stuff, dark stuff, turbulence and the concept of time. There's a little bit of truth to that. A little bit of truth. I think it should be really small stuff, really big stuff. Because the rest we've sort of got cracked. Welcome to Science Hell, Professor. This is Tony. He once saw something on the internet about your field of expertise and is going to spend eternity lecturing you on it. Oh my word. You know, if hell was a real place and I ended up there, it would be with all the flat earthers, wouldn't it? The rest of the world, we use the metric system. The United States, potentially hazardous asteroid the width of 2,000 ferrets to whiz past Earth tomorrow. Oh, keep picking on the US here. Although a lot of people have said they agreed with the guy who was crawling for water that they'd pick the mile. Why do potatoes have more chromosomes than us? What do they need them for? Potato, that's none of your business. Oh dear. Ancient flat earth beliefs. We like to think that people have only known the earth was round since Columbus didn't fall off, but the Greeks not only knew it, they even calculated its circumference, which means flat earthers could travel to 500 BC and still be considered dumb. It's funny because it's sort of true. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Trying to be an adult and read a scientific paper and your wife does this. Harry Potter and the influence of climatic legacies on the distribution of dryland biocrust communities. Oh, that guy's wife's got a good sense of humour. I mean, this is the most perfect one I've seen. This guy here, Professor with all his equations on the board. Nuh-uh, some guy on Twitter just said you're wrong. Bacteria in nature. Eating literal dirt, defying the physical limits of life. This is my third eukaryotic extinction event in a row. Bacteria in the lab. Not my favourite sugar. The pH is off by 0.001. Is this tap water? I'm allergic. Oh dear. These are good, these. Meter. I'm defined by one universal constant, the speed of light, and the unperturbed ground state hyperfine transition frequency of the cesium-133 atom. Inch. I'm defined as exactly 25.4 millimeters. Oh, doctor, your body run out of magnesium. Me, OMG. That is one of the best chemistry-based jokes I have seen. Idea for a video. Tell my wife chemistry-based jokes and watch her reaction. Sodium, an explosive metal, and chlorine, a deadly gas. Table salt. Oh, love it. Oh my word, we've all been here, haven't we? Things are going well. Too well. Careless mistake. Oh wow. That is extremely clever. This is a stop sign, of course, showing the sine curve. I like that. I like that. That's very clever. Dinosaurs go extinct. Mammals, bonjour. Entropy. You can't win. You can't break even. You can't even quit the game. True. That's going to look stupid in 60 million years. Oh, very good. I don't think I've ever considered a plate tectonic tattoo joke before. Dad, can you tell me what a solar eclipse is? No, son. New term, Agnorant. Definition, people who are extremely ignorant yet are simultaneously extremely arrogant. We know a few of those, don't we? Example, people who think they know more about science than scientists. A lot of ignorant people out there, I think. Conductor, semiconductor and superconductor. Oh dear, that's up there with the microbiologist and the molecular biologist. Okay, we switched it up to the newest ones, so we look at the newest ones now. This is assault, how ionic. I like that. That's another clever one. A photon boarded a plane. The flight attendant asked, do you have any carry-on luggage? The photon replied, no need. I'm travelling light. You gotta love a science joke, haven't you? Scientists naming viruses. Virus and that's the symptom. Checkmate, everyone. That is that's an interesting one. I'm surprised that flat earthers haven't come up with this concept yet, actually. But yeah, good one. If at first you don't succeed, try 2 more times so that your failure is statistically significant. Oh, this is a classic maths graph related joke here. X-Men and Y-Men. Love it. Love the maths ones. Me, interested in physics, calculus, differential equations, probability and statistics, how black holes work. Go straight for the good stuff all the time. Today's special, Fibonacci soup. Ingredients. Yesterday's soup and the day before yesterday's soup. Oh, come on. Who has made that? That's class. That is class. When you try to understand quantum mechanics. Very true, that one. Lobotomy changed my mind. Oh, the simplest ones are the best. What happened before the Big Bang? Sorry, there is no time. Everyone at Schrodinger's funeral looking at his coffin. What a show The Witcher was. Gutted that Cavill left. Pluto is covered in huge red patches and we don't know what they are. Bruises from all the times Yol said he wasn't a planet. Yeah, Pluto got it bad, didn't he? Asteroid half the size of a giraffe strikes Earth off the coast of Iceland just 2 hours after it was discovered by astronomers. Half the size of a giraffe. What a weird thing to say. You know why there weren't many anti-vax people in the early 1900s? Why? They weren't alive. Captain America. Nice. Very nice. Me, after the physics teacher says friction can be ignored. Oh dear. Well, there we go. That's the Science Humour Reddit page. I think that's on par with the Science Meme Reddit page. They're both just as funny as each other. Listen, I've really enjoyed these ones. If anyone has anything that I can look through like this as well, let me know and I'll do that. Thanks so much for watching as always. If you enjoyed it today, please subscribe and I'll see you for another one next week. Bye bye.